Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool twisted triangle. And if you'll take a screenshot of that right there, that's all you need. You only need to add one line and take away a couple. Pretty easy to draw, but if you go by a couple of rules, I'm going to take a six-sided polygon and I'm going to hit P. But I'm going to convert it to a three-sided. You know what? That might be too big. Let me back up here. Let me hold down the shift key to make it grow from the inside and hit P. And then convert it to a three-sided. And what that did, it made that triangle in the center of the page. Even though Corel thinks that's the center is more like right in there. Then take a 2-point line and grab your center of your line and have it snap to that node. And then Control D and move it down and make it as thick or thin as you want. The thicker it's going to look better. If you will hold down your Alt key, it'll select those three, and you can Control G to group them, Control D to duplicate them, Alternate C to have them rotate from the center of the page and rotate them 120 degrees, and then Control D again. Now, the only line you need to add is this line right here on the top diamond, and then take the other ones away and stay along this line and just go and then delete. Now what I'm going to do, and I always do it saves a lot of time, Control G to group those together. Let's use a different color this time. We're going to use that, maybe that turquoise, and fill that in. Then take your interactive fill tool and just wipe across here and make that one end a darker black. That might be too much, but see, I'm getting a little bit of that up there. So I can angle it and take it away from there. I think that's going to look pretty good. Now we're going to Control D it, Alternate C, and rotate it 120 degrees and 120 degrees, Control D. But since we group these together, we can grab them now and pull them out of the way. Easier said than done. When you put a black box around this, it really shows off the darkness of the shadow order back a page. And it looks like a twisted triangle. And you could add lines. I don't think it needs it, but you could always right click and give it an outline. I don't think that makes it any better, so I'm going to take that away. But that's pretty cool and pretty easy. Anyway, I hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.